This video is going to go over question 5 from your mini exam. It says solve the following inequality and write the solution in interval notation. So here we're working with absolute value, and we know that the absolute value of x is less than a means that negative a is less than x is less than a. So we can use the same principle in our problem. Let's rewrite this so that it looks like this format. So the absolute value of 2 minus x over 5 is less than 1. So this section, that's our x, and this is our a. So we can plug it in. We get negative 1 is less than our x. That's the value inside our absolute value. So 2 minus x over 5 less than 1. Cool. Let's isolate x now. So we can subtract 2 from each part of our inequality. So minus 3 less than negative x over 5 less than negative 1. Now we can multiply everything by 5. So negative 15 is less than x is less than 5. Oops, that's a negative x right there. So we want to make it say positive x. So we need to multiply everything by negative 1, but we need to be really careful here. When we multiply by a negative and we're working with inequalities, we have to flip the sign. So 15 is greater than x, which is greater than 5. So in interval notation, the values of x that we can work with are 5 to 15. And a number line, what that's going to look like, here's our number line, here is 0, here's 5, 10, 15, and we'll do negative 5, negative 10. We're between 5 and 15, so let me highlight that, or we'll do it with purple. Here's 5 and 15. And actually, I made a mistake right here. We don't use brackets right there. We're using parentheses. And that's because we're strictly less than, not less than or equal to. So on our number line, that's going to be denoted with an open circle. And what that's saying is we can use values really, really, really close to 5 and really, really, really close to 15, but we can't actually equal 5 and 15. So in interval notation, my answer is 5 and 15, open brackets or parentheses.